FIREMAN is a European research project funded under the Cistera scheme. The project aims to build an architecture with a strong interplay among several research areas, such as large-scale data acquisition, data fusion, and data analytics, towards highly integrated industrial IoT systems. The overall objective of FIREMAN is to design, develop, and showcase novel machine learning-based solutions that encompass all steps from sensing and data acquisition to statistical analysis and operational decisions, and are able to accurately identify, detect, and forecast rare events in industrial IoT systems.
In FIREMAN, we focus on the operational principles of industrial IoT systems with emphasis on information processing and visualization of monitoring data. Information processing tasks include classification, clustering, dimensionality reduction, imputation, prediction, and anomaly detection. On the other hand, data visualization renders the understanding of the complex industrial systems much simpler and interpretable. Visualization tools allow a system operator to monitor the infrastructure conditions through key performance indicators and perform informed actions in real time. Our solutions have been demonstrated in a testbed setup comprising grid-forming converters for anomaly detection and classification. In particular, we have implemented a computationally efficient digital twin with limited data, which also allows the integration of deep learning tools to improve the hyperparameter tuning capabilities. Results show that we can not only enhance the accuracy of digital twin over time, but can also formalize high confidence over its decisions.
In overall, our research outcomes aim to unlock unprecedented industrial use cases, upgrade the aging manufacturing industry, and improve productivity and cost efficiency for future industrial IoT systems.